This could be the car for you. The 2020 Toyota Highlander. With less than 35,000 miles on the... Here's a sleek and sporty Toyota Highlander your family will love. From its safety and driver assistance tech to its multiple climate control zones and infotainment system, this smooth-riding, quiet, roomy 3-row crossover offers the capability and creature comforts to help you make the most of every road trip. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: pre-collision system, lane departure warning, keyless entry, backup camera, premium sound system, fog lamps, adaptive cruise control, satellite radio, remote engine start, keyless start. Make every drive all that it can be in this comfortable and capable Highlander. Our team is committed to giving you the best possible customer service. Why not stop by for a test drive today?